Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft dolphin. If you guys would like to see some other different Minecraft animals, please let me know and I'd be more than happy to try my best to draw all of them for you guys. So, thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft dolphin, we're going to make a little square shape right here for the nose. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that goes down, over, up, and connect it. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down, another one a little bit longer, and then I'll connect them like this. Under here, just draw a little line that goes over and bring it right to that side. At the top of this, we're going to draw the head. So we're going to start at the top of the square. We're going to make a line that goes up. We're going to draw over. Bring the line down. Then you just want to connect it to here. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down a little bit at an angle. Bring it all the way down and connect them. Right here, just make a little line that goes down and bring it all the way over to here, just to kind of show a little bit of the bottom. Starting here, you want to draw two long skinny lines with a little line that goes up. Next, draw a line that goes down. It's going to come up and then over. And to finish it off, start at the corner and draw a line that comes all the way to here. In this corner, draw a little line that goes up and over for a small triangle. And draw a line that comes down. Bring it down to the flipper, jump over, and start at this corner and just connect the line. Next, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down and bring it over to here. For the tail of the dolphin, I want to start right here, make a line that goes down, and it comes down a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to go down and then bring it up just a bit. Inside of here, I'm going to draw a small rectangle shape for part of the fin. Next, I'm just going to bring this line back to here. Right here, draw a little line that goes down and then over. At the top of the dolphin, we want to draw his fin. Draw a little line that goes up, over, and then down for a skinny rectangle. And a little line that goes down and then connects to here. Over here on this side, make a line that goes out. It's going to come over and up. Then a little line that goes up and over for the other flipper. Now you just want to make the eye. To draw the eye, draw a rectangle shape over here. And draw a little line right in here. I'm going to color this in and just leave a small part of this white. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Minecraft dolphin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.